Hey guys, Jake from Straightline Chrysler, Fort Saskatchewan, 11116 88th Ave. Just showing you guys quickly a little tour of our 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie Sport Crew Cab. We're going to take a quick peek inside the truck, show you a couple features, and then we'll have some walk around pictures of the whole vehicle. First thing you'll notice when you open the doors, we have some power folding mirrors, memory seating, couple extra cup holders for when you're getting your Timmies in the morning. Going over here, you're going to see your power adjustable seats and lumbar support with leather seats in the Laramie truck. You'll see the Laramie stitching up top there. Looking a little closer at some of the more accessible features, we have power adjustable pedals. That's where you're going to find your hood latch in case you need to get your block heater in this cold winter. Also, we have automatic headlights and high beams for you. Taking a little look inside behind the steering wheel at your digital display and cluster. Here's where you have your washer fluid nozzle, your talking and texting ability, a cruise control on the right side of the steering wheel. Taking a look over here now, you have where you can put it into drive and 4x4 with automatic engine shut off with this new Ram. And then a monster 12-inch touchscreen display, the biggest in its class, guys. Up top you can have your maps, navigation, heated seats control, climate control, radio. You can do it all from there. Park sensing on the front and rear, and one of the most customizable center consoles available. As you can see, you can open that up, slide this back and forward to be where you need it to be exactly. 4 USB ports in the front, ready to plug in. Lots of space, super deep. Taking a peek at the back seats real quick here. We have the Ram bins. Put some cold drinks and ice in there. Removable buckets to keep anything you need underneath the seat. One of the largest in its class crew cabs for back seating. 4 USB ports again in the back for your passengers. A 115 volt outlet as well if you need something a little more heavy duty. And then a quick look at what it looks like from the back. Thanks guys.